clafoutis is a great French creation, or rather a custard. Now you can create it with any kind of stone fruit, but for me, it's a perfect tea time indulgence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I take coconutty Malibu and pair it with some red cherries in a kick-ass great clafoutis. For me, desserts don't necessarily have to be overtly sweet. So into a bowl goes in half a cup of sugar along with 6 whole eggs. And I'm just going to whisk that up so that the sugar melts and emulsifies. In goes 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar along with half a teaspoon of salt, some natural bourbon vanilla extract, about a tablespoon, and about 4 tablespoons of Malibu. Just emulsify it all together. In goes 2 cups of some regular milk. Now we're just going to whisk the entire thing together. And lastly, into this goes 1 cup of sifted flour. Now I do want an overload of red cherries, so into 6 ramekins that have been lightly greased with some yellow salted butter, go in a near tablespoon of, I'm using frozen red cherries, but you can use fresh if they are in season, or like I said, any stone fruit that is available. You can go with plums, you can go with pears, you can go with apples, or you can just go with some dehydrated apricot and prunes. Now while I have strained the egg custard to avoid any lumps, I'm just going to gently pour it right till top. Top this with some slivers of blanched almonds, just to give you that little bit of crunch. Into a preheated oven this goes at 180 degrees centigrade for just about 20 minutes. Now the beauty about a clafoutis is that it does rise up, but it will settle down back again. Now a clafoutis is always best enjoyed warm, either with some sugar coating on top or some clotted cream. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A simple dessert, yet an indulgent tea time snack. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.